Okay, YouTube. I know I hadn't posted anything in a while, but I've been busy finishing work on this rat rod. Figured I would close in the firewall there. I'm trying to make it look as ratty as I could. So I spliced in some nice aluminum I had, cut it in, put a shifter boot on it that I had. It's not perfect, but hey, it's a rat rod. The way it's supposed to be, right? Yeah. Finished up the handle. Added some aluminum over here on the side. That's right. Closure don't look too bad. Still got a little bit more to do, but it's getting late today, and that's right up between the wheel wood and the steering column, but that'll be easy to do. I'll get that closed in. And when I went down the road the other day, it seemed like I had a little bit of running issues. So I come back, and just so you'll know, this is a 350 out of a 69 model Camaro. It's got a fresh rebuild, 30 over. Everything's been replaced in it. Heads has been reworked. And has an Edelbrock carburetor. Not really sure of the size, but I'll find that out too and post later. But anyway, didn't want to run once it warmed up worth a darn. Had a lot of issues, and I decided that I wasn't going to fight it trying to figure out this HEI GM coil thing. So I just went ahead and ordered a whole new distributor, which for the most part seems to have fixed the problem. We'll know tomorrow when I go down the highway again. Let you know, I put cedar strips in the top. Looking good. That's right. I posted this baby for sale. She's at $23,000, and the more I do to her, the more I'm going to want. So if you want to get her and do some add-ons, some rat roddy looking stuff, you better buy her now. She is a 5-speed. She has a GM rear end out of a Firebird. I believe it was a 68. Disc brake rear end. 5-speed out of a 94 Silverado. And I'm going to put a list up of what she has. She rides and drives, got rear airbags. The frame system was built to where if it did lose air pressure, it sits about an inch off the ground, you can drive it. To let you know, I have titled and tagged it here in South Carolina, no big deal. That's right. The only thing I got left to do that I want to finish up, and I've already ordered the metal to do it, and that I will start on tomorrow, is that little bit of lower rust. That's right. I'm going to put panels in it like the other side has had done. Let me swing around here real quick. I'll show you. Hey, it's a rat rod. Yeah, this side we've got fixed already. And just going to let it rust up. Alright, YouTube, don't forget, subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the notification button. I do all kinds of things, and I like you to be able to see all of them. Yeah, I'm working on some batteries out of my pontoon boat, getting them charged up. But Coker tires, big white walls cleaned up, new rims, new tires, new rims and tires with a Atlas white wall add-on, with brand new tires, brand new Speedway front end. Oh, there's the twins up front. Gonna leave her a little rusty. Let her just patina up, I guess is what they call it. She is done. I think I'm gonna uncap these and block the bottom, let them just blow out the side. And I don't know about the stack. I'm thinking about changing that out. But anyway, the more I do, the more I add onto this thing, the more money I'm going to want. Finish the seats all up. Put me a little elbow pad. And there's the tank. Fuel tank. Air pump. Battery. Thinking about making some wooden covers for that. Anyway, YouTube subscribers, anybody wanting a 31 two-door rat rod, comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want this thing, bring some cash. Take her home. We're out.